Hello, my dear students. Today we shall discuss remaining chapters of Chapter 3 History, Nazism and Rise of Hitler. This is the final lecture of this chapter. After this chapter will be over. So, the topics which we are going to discuss here, that are the art of propaganda, second one ordinary peoples and crimes against humanity, and last one is the knowledge about Holocaust. So first, the art of propaganda. My dear students, as I have already told you all that Nazis and their supporters committed such a brutal crimes against the Jews, Gypsies, Polish, Russian, blacks and other undesirable communities who were living in the Germany. So it is necessary for us to know, when such a mass killing was made by the Nazis and their supporters, then how they survived in the German Empire. Was there any German people who was against them, or how and why German people supported the activities of the Nazis? So these all answers we shall get in the art of the propaganda. Actually, Nazis and their supporters made such type of advertisements, made such type of situations in the Germany, that even the common German peoples who were not knowing much about the Nazi ideology, they were also believing that what acts are done by them, that is accurate. So let us start. First of all, in all the official letters, Nazis never used the word like the murder or the kill. They were using a special type of words like the disinfection, final solution, final treatment, euthanasia, etc. Even the concentration camp areas where undesirables were killed by poisonous gases, they were marked as the disinfection area, and these buildings of the concentration camps were looking like the fake bathrooms, or their structure was like the bathrooms, and in that bathroom area there were the fake shower heads to make hatred against the Jews and other undesirable communities. A lot of audiovisual clips, posters, magazines, newspapers, catchy slogans, including the propaganda films, were displayed. In these films, Jews were considered as the rats, vermin, or the pests. Their movements was like the rodents. They were having the hooked nose. They were presented as the stereotype. Their black hair colors, their eye colors, as well as their special dresses were there. So by these all propagandas, Nazis were able to win the popular support of the people. And this was the main cause that all the crimes which were made by the Nazis, there was not any strong resistance against it. And to spread hatred against the Jews, a film was also displayed. The name of that film was The Eternal Jews, and this Eternal Jews film was the most unpopular film of the Germany. So this was all about the art of propaganda, by which German peoples, even common German peoples, were also convinced with the activities which were made by the Nazis and their supporters. Now, second one, ordinary people and crimes against humanity. My dear students, in the Germany, there were many who were blindly believing what were done by the Nazis. They were making a lot of hatred against the Jews. They were watching in their surrounding areas if they found any suspicious people arrive. Then at the same time they were informing to the police. Means in other words we can say they saw the world from that eyes only as Nazis wanted. But in the Germany we can say everyone was not a supporter of the Nazis. There were many who were against the activities of the Nazis, and as a result of that, many people made popular revolts. Many people went to the imprisonment. Some were sentenced to the lifetime death. Some were sentenced to the death who protested against the activities of the Nazis. And as those who were protesting, they got such brutal punishment. Other peoples who were about to support the undesirable communities, they just shut their mouth and didn't spoke that because they were afraid that may be possible what is done by the other communities, same can be done with them. So, because of these situations, the Jews which were living in the Germany, their condition was extremely miserable. The propaganda films and the stereotype structure which were presented or displayed by the Nazis, that was even escaping them in their dreams. In their dreams, Jews were thinking that their appearance is different from the others. Their nose is hooked, their eye color is black, they are like the rodents, etc. But in reality, if you will find any Jew and if you will find any German, then very easily you can't get any type of difference among them. Now last one, knowledge about the Holocaust. So what is Holocaust? Holocaust means the system by which final treatment was given to the undesirables, that our system came to be known as the Holocaust. My dear students, as World War II broke out, Central Powers and allies were fighting with each other. During that side of the war, world was unable to know the exact crimes which were made by the Germans against the undesirables. But as the war was over, such a large number of official papers were received that allies, including the whole world, came to know about the brutality which were made by the Nazis and their supporters against the undesirable peoples. There is an instance or there is an example of an individual who was living in the Nazi Germany. He was a Jew. He wanted that war should be stopped for half an hour so that he can tell to the world what crimes were made against them in the Nazi Germany. So this was all about the chapter. My dear students, as I have already told you all that you have to write down the answers of the questions by your own self. So I am just going to guide you a little bit so that you can easily write down the question answers of the chapter. So first question is given, describe the problems faced by the Weimar Republic. My dear students, as we are knowing, Weimar Republic faced three types of main problems. First one was the economic problem, second one was the political problem, and third one was the social problem. In the economic problem, Treaty of Versailles was being signed, and as a result of signing of the Treaty of the Versailles, maximum territories including the population and resource-rich areas of the Germany were taken by the Allied powers. In the political level also, Weimar Republic was very weak or fragile. Why Weimar Republic was weak or fragile? Because of the proportional representation and the liberal use of the Article 48. On the social level also, Weimar Republic was very weak because it was unable to win the support of the common people. And why was it unable to win the support of the common people? Because it has signed the Treaty of the Versailles in the month of the November. That's why they were regarded as the November criminals. This much you will write in the first one. Second one is asking, discuss why Nazis became popular in Germany by 1930s. Means why after 1930s Nazis became powerful. So we are knowing after the Great Economic Depression which occurred in the Germany, banks were shut down, factories and industries closed, employment was common everywhere. During this time, Nazi propaganda made or instilled and hope among the people of the Germany that it is the Nazi party and the Hitler only who can cure all their problems. Third one given, what are the peculiar features of Nazi thinking? So first one, Nazis were believing in the racial hierarchy because they were convinced by the theories which were given by the Charles Darwin and the Herbert Spencer. Besides that, Lebensraum was also a theory because of which Nazis committed such type of crimes. So Lebensraum means living space. As we are knowing, the area of the German Empire was increasing, and as the area of the empire was increasing, population was also increasing. So to feed such a large number of population, there was the requirement of the resources. That's why such type of crimes were made. Next one is given, explain what role women had in Nazi society. Return to chapter 1 on the French Revolution. Write a paragraph comparing and contrasting the role of women in the two periods. So first you have to tell what was the role of the women in the Nazi Germany. So as we are knowing, Hitler once said in 1933 only that women are the most important organ of the Nazi society. The main responsibility of the woman was to take care of their babies, give birth to the pure Nordic Aryan, and teach their children about the Nazi ideology. They should maintain the purity of their race, as well as they had to bear as much babies as they can of the pure races. And for that we are doing special honor cross was awarded to them. 4 crosses, gold, silver and bronze. Bronze cross was given for bearing 4 children. Silver was given for 6, and 8 and above was given for the gold. Now we have to compare the role of the women of the Nazi Germany to that of the French Revolution. So as we are knowing, in the French Revolution, women also actively participated in the revolution. They made a lot of political clubs demanding for the equal status in the society as well as for this means voting rights. Is it? So this you will write. So last one is saying, in what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people? So as we are knowing, to establish proper control over the people of the Germany. Earlier time there were the SS stormtroopers and green uniform police. Besides that, some special forces were also appointed. They were known as the criminal police, security service, Gestapo and the SS. And why these police forces were appointed? So that they can govern the society of the Germany as Nazis wanted. So this was all about the chapter. I hope that you well understood and you have understood about the questions also. Now try to write down the questions by your own self. If then also any type of problem is occurring, you can comment me through the YouTube or you can ask during the classes if you are attending the school. So very soon we shall meet in the next video class with the next chapter. Till that time, bye bye.